Hi, so this is my week 1 discussion board. My name is Claudia Estrada, and it's for Political 493 Principles of Public Admin. So I live in the city of Colton. I live in the state of California. So the senior senator is Dianne Feinstein. Sorry if I said that wrong. She's Democrat. And her next election is in 2024. Junior senator is Kamala Harris. She's also Democrat. And her next election is 2022. Member of Congress representative is Pete Aguilar. Of course, there's many more. But this was the one that belonged to my address particularly. He's part of 31st Congressional District, and he's up for his next re-election in 2020, which is the following year. State Senator in California, Connie M. Leyva, and she was also chosen by my address. So on the website you type in your address and it shows you what state senator basically belongs to your district. So she's part of District 20, Democrat, and as you can see on there, one of the offices is San Bernardino, so that's the county I live in. Assembly member of California is Eloise Reyes. Again, she was chosen due to where I live. So as you can see, her district office is in San Bernardino County. It's part of District 47. County Board Supervisors of San Bernardino are Robert A. Lovingood, 1st District Supervisor, Janice Rutherford, and Don Rowe. So these are the first 3. There's 2 more. Kurt Hagman, Chairman. He's part of the 4th District. Josie Gonzalez, Vice Chair, 5th District. And then the City Council member, So I live in the city of Colton, like I had said at the beginning. These are basically the council members that I saw on the website. Some did share, some do not have a picture, so that's why I put that. But as far as the mayor is Frank J. Navarro. Mayor Pro Tem, District 1 is David J. Toro. And then Kenneth Cooper, he's council member. So this is how their titles show up on the actual Colton website. I'm not sure exactly what they do, but this is how they showed up. And then Dr. Luis Esquivel is another council member. Jack R. Woods, council member, District 5. And then these are the last ones. Isaac T. Suchil, council member, District 6. Administrative assistant. And then Akash Terry, management intern. Sorry if I said that wrong. So basically, yeah, that's my presentation. Hope you enjoyed it. And again, my name is Claudia Estrada. Thank you.